Hi, everyone. My name is Liam Conroy. I am a biology teacher at Hope Street Charter Academy, an alternative high school that is in Topeka, Kansas, so in the capital area. Um, so I'm excited to be part of this class, excited to be in my last semester of the T2T program. Um, as far as something that's kind of unique about myself. I know other people who've been with me in courses in this program probably already know this, but my job prior to getting into the T2T program was working as a zookeeper. So I take a lot of that with me into my biology courses that I teach. I teach zoology, ecology, things like that. And so I'm very passionate about that piece, and I enjoy still being able to teach about it, even if I'm not interacting with animals as directly. And then as far as the reflective teaching process, um, I've been doing reflection related activities ever since college and the job position that I had there. But I know back then I kind of thought of it as more of like a personal um, pursuit in order to kind of review your own work and be able to look over it yourself. But I think what I've discovered doing more reflective activities, both inside of the work setting of the high school that I teach at now and the courses that I've been taking through Fort Hayes, I realize a little bit more now that that reflective process really is more beneficial if you get feedback from your peers. So I'm excited to be able to chat with folks here to kind of get a little bit more feedback and ideas on how to handle things in the classroom. Obviously, even though I've been, this is almost 2 years under my belt now, but I still feel very, very green to it. So I definitely appreciate the feedback that I get from other people in these courses and lots of good ideas that I've kind of heard while I've been through the program. So looking forward to continuing to collaborate, and hopefully I can help other folks out with some ideas as well. So looking forward to working with everyone, and I hope we all have a great semester. Thank you.